Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to show you another website where you can be making money online by completing simple surveys. Okay, so right here you can see list of people who just completed some surveys, and right here you can see the amount of money they've been able to make by completing those surveys. Okay, so right here you can see this man right here made over 670 cents. You can see right here 0.295. You can see right here 0.180, and you can see their country. Okay, so if you scroll down you're going to see, okay, right here this one made $1 in 25 minutes ago. So right here you can see 0.400 cents 25 minutes ago. Right here you can see 0.858 cents 25 minutes ago. So if you just scroll down you're just going to see a whole lot of people making money on this website. Okay, and all they do is just complete simple tasks and they make money for themselves. And one sweet thing about this website is you don't have to make a lot of money before you withdraw. Okay, so once you get up to $10, you're going to be able to withdraw from this website. Okay, and this website is very legit. Okay, because before you're going to withdraw from this website you have to pass through some verifications. Okay, you have to verify your ID before you can withdraw from this website, and the minimum withdrawal you can withdraw is $10. Okay, so once you have up to $10 on this website you can be able to withdraw. Okay, so make sure you stick to me, watch this video from the beginning to the end. So I'm going to be showing you ways you can make cool money on this website. Okay, you can be making money on this website by other means as well. If you don't want to perform tasks or surveys, you can still make money on this website. Okay, so make sure you stick to this video and watch it from beginning to the end. And if this is beginning to sound like something you're interested in, something you're beginning to find value from, I would say you should hit that like button right now. Just hit that like button, go on the comment section, comment make money online. Okay, so let me know you're interested in making money online. So just go there, comment make money online. And if you're seeing my video for the first time, if you're coming across my content for the first time, I would say you should hit on that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop new videos on this channel you get notified by YouTube and then implement whatever I teach in the video. Okay, so what I basically do on this channel is I make research online, I test out websites and apps that pays. Okay, so and I help people, I teach digital products as well, I promote digital products as well. Okay, how you can promote digital products online, about affiliate marketing and other online making money ways. Okay, so right here, if this sounds like something you're interested in, I would say you should hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos you're gonna get notified by YouTube. Okay, so let's just go straight into business. Okay, so the name of this website is timebox.com. okay, so don't go straight to this website because you're just gonna miss a whole lot of things. You're gonna make a lot of mistakes and then you don't know what you're gonna mix. Okay, you're gonna miss a whole lot of things. So just calm down, stick to this video, watch it from beginning to the end, follow every steps I'm gonna be teaching you and how you can start making money for yourself. Okay, so just follow these steps I'm gonna show you. So right here you can see my balance. I have about $1.528 right here. You can see right here I have, this is my wallet balance. Okay, this is what I made in just few minutes of testing out this website. Okay, so you can see right here there is a notification showing you to perform our 8-minute survey that you're gonna make 0.46 cents. Okay, so this is what you're gonna be doing on this platform. You're just basically gonna perform tasks and then fill out surveys and make money for yourself. Okay, so before I show you how you can create account on this website, let me quickly show you how you can earn on this platform. Okay, so first thing you want to do is just click on this button right here. You can see this button on the top right corner, sorry, the top left corner of the platform. So once you just click on it, it's gonna show a lot of options. So right here what you want to do is you want to just click on earnings. Okay, so you want to click on earn. Okay, once you click on this icon showing earn, you're going to see several options of how you can earn on this website. Okay, so once I just click on it, you're going to see a whole lot of options of how you can make money on this website. Okay, so right here you can make money by completing surveys, you can make money by reading content, you can make money by playing and testing out games, you can make money by completing tasks, you can make money by offer walls and refer, you can still make money by that, AliExpress and speak sweep takes. Okay, so these are the options available for you to make money on this platform. Okay, so I'm not really gonna test out all of them because I don't want this video to be too long for you guys. Okay, I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm not going to test out all the ways you can make money on this platform. Okay, so right here I'm just going to click on this option showing survey. Okay, you can see it's loading. You can see the list of surveys that are available for you on this platform and how much they are going to pay. Okay, so right here you can see this one is willing to pay 0.750 cents. You can see this one is willing to pay 0.875 cents for just one survey you're gonna complete. Okay, so you can see this one is willing to pay $1. You can see right here it's willing to pay $1 for just the survey. So what you want to just do is, if you just scroll down, you select anyone that best suits you. You can just go for the lower price or you go for the higher price. It actually depends on you. Okay, so what you want to do is you just click on start. Okay, so once you click on start, it's gonna load and it's gonna take you to the page where you're gonna answer a few questions. Okay, right here you're going to select I'm not a robot. So once you click on that, you're going to just see the next page right there, so you can just start answering the questions. They're going to be asking you simple questions about maybe a product or the kind of services you've tested out in the last 2 to 3 months, and then provide your honest answers, and then you still get paid for doing that. Okay, so let's just see. You can see it's loading. Let's see what it's going to come up with. Okay, so right here, this you just click on this drop down. It's asking the kind of device you're using, so I'll just click on mobile. So click on continue. Okay, you might actually get a different platform. Okay, you might actually get a different page depending on the kind of survey you want to perform. Okay, depending on the type of survey you clicked on. Okay, so it's loading. Let's see what it's gonna come up with again. Okay, so right here you can see the page you are directed to. Okay, and what you're going to be doing here is just to answer these simple questions. Okay, so after you just answer all these questions, you click on continue. Okay, and that is how it works. You're just going to keep answering questions. It might last for like 5 minutes, some of them for like 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, so once you just finish answering those questions, you select them and you click on continue. You're just going to finish the survey and the money is going to be added to your dashboard after some minutes. Okay, so I'm not going to be answering these surveys right now because I don't want this video to be too long. I'm just going to show you another way you can make money on this platform. Okay, so right here, this is another way you can make money on this platform. Okay, so you can just come back to this page and then click on content. Okay, so once you click on content, you're going to see other things you can do. Okay, so you can click on ads, you can view slideshows, you can engage on posts, you can push click. Okay, so right here, let me click on ads. Okay, so this one is very simple to perform. Okay, but it actually has a very low amount of money. Okay, so right here you can just view this, and if you view it for, okay, you can see view the content for 5 seconds. If you view it for 5 seconds, you're gonna get 0.1 cents paid to your dashboard immediately. Okay, so let's just try this out so you can see that this website actually works. Okay, but on this you don't have to do much per day. It has a limit of how many you can do per day. Okay, so you can see I've just clicked on it, and right here I'm not going to answer any question. They just asked me to click on the link and stay for 5 seconds. Okay, so I'll just count some seconds right now. So once it completes up to 5 seconds, I'll just go back to my dashboard, and then the 0.01 cents is going to be added to my earnings already. Okay, so make sure you follow these steps carefully. Don't just click off this video so you won't make mistake for yourself. Okay, and I'm going to also show you how you can sign up on this website. Okay, so make sure you stick to this video from beginning to the end. Okay, and if you're beginning to find value in this video, I'll say you should hit that like button right now. Okay, so just say you should hit the like button. Okay, just hit the like button and go on the comment section below, comment make money online. Okay, so just drop a comment saying make money online. Okay, and if you're new on my channel, if you're seeing my video for the first time, I will say you should hit on that subscribe button. Okay, and also turn on the notification bell. Okay, so you won't miss any of my updates I'm going to be dropping on this channel. Okay, so we've spent more than 5 seconds right here already, so I'll just click on back, and you can see the next one is 0.05 cents. Okay, so let's check. Previously it was 1.528, and now you can see it's 1.529. so I'll just click on this again, and let's see if it's gonna add or not. Okay, so right here is where we're directed to, and this is the ad. Okay, so we'll just spend 5 seconds here, and I'll click on the back button again, and you see it's gonna add to my earning immediately. Okay, so I'll just spend 5 seconds here. So I think it's up to 5 seconds already. Okay, so I'll just click on the back button, and I'll see, okay, it's not up to yet. You can see reopen link, it's not up to, so I will reopen it. It's remaining 18 seconds. Okay, it's remaining 18 seconds. So let me just pause this video. So right here I'm just going to go back. You can see, let's check what we now have. Okay, I just restart. Okay, so right here you can see previously it was 29, it was 1.539 and sorry 29, now it's 1.534. okay, so 5 cents was added. If I still click on this, the 4 cents is still gonna add as well. Okay, so this is another way you can earn on this platform. Okay, so let me show you one other sweet way you can earn on this platform. Okay, so on this website you can actually earn money by playing games as well. Okay, so right here you can see this game. They are telling you to play this game for okay, you're just going to click on play, and then this is the amount you're going to make. So all you just have to do is to score up to 25. Okay, so once you score up to 25, you're going to get this on directly paid to your dashboard. So same as here you just have to score 100 and you're going to get this paid to your dashboard. Here you score 20, here you score 50. So this is another way you can make money on this platform. Okay, by playing games you can make money. So right here, by performing tasks, you can still make money. So let me click on the tasks, click on tasks again, and you're going to see the options of tasks you can perform and make money on this website. Okay, so right here you're just going to scroll down. You can see okay, money available to earn is 10.40, okay, 10.434 dollars. Okay, sorry, yeah, $10.434. Okay, so that is if you're able to perform the tasks you're gonna see right here. Okay, so these are the tasks you're gonna perform to make up to that money. That's if you're able to complete all these tasks, you're gonna make up to $10. Okay, so let's see what the tasks look like. So right here they say join the official timebox telegram group. Okay, so once you click here, you're gonna join their telegram group. So if you join the telegram group, you're gonna make 0.060 cents for yourself. And right here you're gonna, okay, Facebook app testing, you're gonna test out Facebook app, sign up, screenshots for 5 seconds required. Okay, so you're just going to go through this carefully. Okay, so you're just going to go through the instruction carefully. So right here they say visit a site and get paid instantly, web page, engage or click frequency every 7 days, approval 94%, no average completion 6 minutes. Okay, it's gonna take you 6 minutes to complete, and this is what you're gonna make once you complete it. Okay, so if you want to just perform any of these tasks, you're just going to click on view instruction. Okay, so once you click on view instruction, you're going to see how you can perform the task. Okay, so let me just click on one of these tasks. So let me click on one of them, and then let's see what they're gonna tell us to do. Okay, so I just click on view. Okay, so this is the instruction you have to follow. Okay, these are the people who just finished completing the task. Okay, these are the people who just finished completing it. So right here, these are the option the instruction you need to follow. You can see right here important, please read. Below is a preview of the instruction this advertiser has set for his tax, along with their eligibility requirements. You should read them and see if you are a good fit for this tax. Okay, if there is a requirement that you are unable to do, you should click the green back button. Okay, if you cannot be able to complete it, you just click on the green back. So this is the instruction right here. You can see before you be able to make that money, first thing first, you can see right here, if you are on, okay, if you are using a mobile device, the sample of the proof does not require showing a time snap or a timestamp. If you are using a desktop, you just show proof with a timestamp. Check the proof sample. Okay, so this is what they ask you to do. Go to google.com and search for Facebook business page ISOG tech. Okay, I think so. Then the second thing is click on the result from the domain isogtech.com. Visit at least 10 other pages on the blog. Spend at least 30 to 60 seconds on each page visited. Click on only one Google relevant ad. Stay on the ad website for 2 minutes and click on any other page on the site. You can see the last instruction here is saying, note, you must stay on every page you clicked for 30 seconds, and 30 seconds to get paid. If you are ready to start the task, proceed below. Okay, so once you're ready, you're just going to click on I'm not a robot, and then you're going to start performing the tasks already. Okay, so once you finish the task, you just come back here, submit the screenshot just as they have informed you or instructed you. So once you just submit it, you're gonna get your money paid directly to your dashboard. Okay, so this platform is actually legit. Okay, it is very legit, and you can make up to or more than $10 on this website even before 2 or 3 hours. Okay, and right here you can make money as well by referring people to this platform. Okay, so if you refer people to this platform, you're gonna still make money for yourself. Okay, so you can see right here, you will get paid 15% commission on the earning for anyone you refer to Timebox. That means if your referral earn $10, you're going to earn $1.50 in commission. Okay, you don't earn referral commission on their bonuses. You will only earn referral commission if your referral has verified their ID. Okay, like I said earlier, you have to verify your ID before you're gonna be able to withdraw on this website. You can use your NIN if you're from Nigeria. You can use your passport or driver's license, or anyone. Just use a government approved ID to just verify on the platform, and that will be very cool. You can be able to just withdraw your money whenever you reach up to $10. Okay, so if you want to invite your friends, this is where you just copy your referral link. Okay, so make sure you use the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video, and you're going to get a bonus for using it. Okay, so you're going to get a bonus for using it. I'll just drop the link in the description of the video, and then so once you use my link to sign up, you're going to get a bonus as well. Okay, so right here, if you're finding value in this video, I would say you should make sure you hit the like button. Okay, hit the like button. Okay, just encourage me by hitting the like button. Okay, make sure you don't forget to go to comment section as well. Comment make money online. Okay, so this is a very cool platform for you where you can be making money for yourself. Okay, and let me show you how you can. Okay, there is no payment option until you get up to $10. Okay, so once you get up to $10, you're gonna see your payment options, and then you're gonna just put your payment details. Okay, you can see right here you currently have no payment. That's because I don't have up to $10 yet. Okay, so make sure you go on this website, sign up using my link, complete tasks, play games, just do anyone you prefer, and then make money for yourself, withdraw your money as well. Okay, so this website is actually cool, and it's legit. It's where you can be making money on daily basis. Okay, you can be making cool money on daily basis. All right, so right guys, I would say I thank you guys for watching this video up to this extent, and I'll see you in my next video. Once again, don't forget to subscribe if you're new on my channel, and also don't forget to share this video with friends. Okay, share this video with friends. Like you can see right here, a lot of people are making money. Okay, so share the video with your friends so that they can make money on this website as well. You can even see somebody just made up to $12 in 18 minutes. You can see the person from Brazil made up to $12 18 minutes ago. Okay, so make sure you work on this website. It's actually cool. It's a very cool website. Okay, so thank you guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.